very unlikely. KWWL's Justin Andrews live for us tonight in Iowa City. And Justin, hospital officials in Iowa City and at the University of Iowa, they are taking no chances with classes beginning next Monday.
No chances at all, Ron. Medical staff here at the University of Iowa hospitals and clinics tell me they are constantly briefed on the outbreak's latest and always looking at their preparedness plan, although the chances are highly unlikely of that virus making it here. More than 1,000 people have died as the deadliest ever outbreak of Ebola takes hold in West Africa, but fear is spreading even more quickly than the virus itself.
Well, Student Health has a list of students who are coming from that area.
Back here at home, Dr. Laureen Herwald, epidemiologist at the University of Iowa hospitals and clinics, tell me the only approved treatment for the virus is primarily supportive.
Fluids, if their blood pressure was low, giving them medicine to bring their blood pressure up.
She says the university's Department of Student Health has already reached out to students in that area and giving them instructions if they've possibly been exposed to Ebola, but she says that number is few.
We're making all the essential plans in case we have to screen a patient or in case we would have to take care of a patient who had Ebola.
The hospital has had a bio-emergency plan in place for several years, and every time a new outbreak begins to spread, they go back to the drawing board.
We have had for years a bio-emergency plan, so every time one of these new organisms comes up that could potentially be a threat, we look at that plan and then adjust it.
Now, Ron, I have not been able to get an exact number of UI students who may be coming from that outbreak area. Now, Dr. Herwald says if they do treat a patient, which is highly unlikely, they do have screening tools in place, isolated rooms for the patient's care, and protective equipment for their medical staff. We've got you covered live outside of UI's hospitals and clinics this evening. I'm Justin Andrews, KWWL News.
And as you heard Justin's report, the University